Welcome back to Top Repairs. Today's topic, I'm going to show you guys how to fix P0765 shift solenoid D malfunction code. If you're getting P0765, most likely you're going to have a bad shift solenoid. However, before replacing that shift solenoid, there's a few things you should check. The first thing I recommend checking is the transmission fluid level. Next, check the condition of the transmission fluid. Make sure it is not dirty and make sure that it does not have any funny smell. For example, if you smell the transmission fluid and if it smells burnt, then most likely you're going to have some sort of issue that is causing this code. The next thing I recommend doing is to remove the transmission pan, and you want to pull out that shift solenoid for that code. Next, you want to look at the screen on the shift solenoid. If that screen is clogged, it can trigger P0765 code. Just because the shift solenoid screen is clogged does not mean it is bad. So I recommend getting carburetor cleaner or brake cleaner, and you want to clean the surface of the screen, and hopefully that'll fix that issue. Next, you should use brand new transmission fluid, and you should also change the filter as well, and this can prevent the screen from getting clogged again. Before installing that shift solenoid, it is important that you should test it. So you want to use a 9-volt battery or a 12-volt source such as the car battery, and you want to energize that shift solenoid, and you should hear a click coming from it. If you don't hear that shift solenoid clicking, it means that it is faulty or it is shorted on the inside, and you should replace that shift solenoid for that code. If you clean out that shift solenoid screen and you hear a click coming from it, then most likely the shift solenoid is probably fine. However, if you change that shift solenoid and the problem is still there, and let's just say you change the transmission fluid and you change the transmission filter, then most likely you're going to have some bigger issue. For example, you might have a faulty valve body, and I do have plenty of videos about valve body, or you can even have a faulty transmission control module, but most likely this is not going to be the issue. Most likely the problem is you're going to have extremely dirty transmission fluid, or a faulty shift solenoid, or even a faulty valve body, or even there might be a clog somewhere in the transmission passage. Also, if you check the transmission fluid and if it looks like strawberry milkshake, then most likely that transmission cooler that's built together with the radiator is faulty. So make sure you fix the main problem before opening up your transmission and changing that shift solenoid and inspecting other parts. I hope you found this lesson useful. As always, thank you for watching and subscribe to Top 5 Auto Repairs.